Dan Sweet here at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. I'm the owner. I have 35 years experience manufacturing pressure cleaning systems and wastewater recycling units, 12 years experience manufacturing trash bin cleaning systems. I've actually built trucks, part in any other manufacturing company here in the US, and trailers. This truck itself with an Isuzu FTR Super Duty truck. It's 25,995 pound rated. This is not a pickup truck model. This is a commercial vehicle. It does not need a CDL license, so a normal license will work, like a chauffeur license on that. This has dual bin lifters. It has our new stainless steel 3,000 pound rated stainless steel, high temperature, 235 degree stainless steel cleaning heads. We have an extreme heavy duty lifter assembly. A lot of the light duty ones are cracking and breaking. We have never had that happen to us yet, knock on wood. We have a 5,000 pound rated retractable hose reel. We run 10,000 pound rated stainless steel ball valves. This unit, we can actually start the engine, turn the burner on, turn on the chemical system, our wastewater filtration and wastewater recycling system here. The strobe lights on the truck, we have dual strobe lights included. Countdown timer on this. We actually, on this package, we have an upgraded inlet hose reel, high pressure hose reel. Inlet hose has 3/4 inch heavy duty inlet hose, 200 foot of high pressure hose. The back reel has 50 foot of high pressure hose, all 6,000 PSI rated. We have a chemical sanitizing system pump on here. We have our big 3,500 PSI hot water power washer. We have a vacuum hose reel with 100 foot of vacuum reel. All of our trucks and trailers can vacuum up wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trucks and trailer. That's where this becomes a valuable asset. As a waste company can also utilize you as a emergency response vehicle. So if they have a hydraulic hose blow and end up needing somebody to go out and clean it up, they love hiring our guys to do that. It's a good income. We can tell you how to get into that. It's kind of a trade secret, but we will go through the whole process with you. We also have two massive 400 gallon tanks. So this truck is an actual 800 gallon total capacity truck. We have the wastewater recycling unit. This is part of an 18-stage process. This allows you to recycle and reuse your wastewater. This truck can go all day long without needing to be dumped or refilled. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of you having to find a facility to dump your wastewater about twice every 2 to 3 times a day, we have eliminated that aggravation. We have clients that average 40 trash bins an hour, cleaning curbside cleaning. A lot, like for example, Jose was able to do $22 a can in a retirement community, $880 an hour. His recently broke that record and was able to break over $900 an hour income. If he only had a 500 gallon tank and now the water went from the tank to the heads and into that rear hopper, he would have had to stop 3 times to fill up that tank, which would have taken him a good extra 3 hours, which would have, ridiculous. Lost another $2,600 in revenue just dealing with dumping and refilling your tank. This also has a fire hydrant fill. So if you run out of water, ultimately, you can refill your tank from a fire hydrant or a garden hose and keep on going. No need to even leave the community. The wastewater filtration also allows you to legally dump the wastewater generated from trash bin cleaning. Normally in a sanitary sewer discharge, we can help you with that with the city, county you're working with. We have a full marketing plan. We have access to phenomenal route management software. When again, our stainless steel cleaning heads rated at 3,000 PSI, 235 degree. Here's our contact information. Dan's Reed at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. And Pressure Cleaners Direct, 877-699-0755, or go to trashbincleanersdirect.com. Thank you. Like and share this video.